Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zapier to WhatsApp in 2024. So whether you want to automate messages or integrate WhatsApp with other tools, I'll just take you through the steps to set up this and make the most out of your automation workflows. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and yeah, let's just get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section. Here, make sure to go and type zapier.com. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken here to this page. Here, as you can see, you'll find yourself in the home page or main screen. You can simply go to the top right corner to click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, instead click on sign up to create an account. Of course, you'll be able to use a Google, Facebook, or Microsoft's account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating and even logging into your account. Once you created your account, you'll also get a 14 days free trial. So you can use all the premium features and apps for free for 14 days. And of course, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in a home screen like this. And here, basically, all you can do is simply go to this left panel and click on apps right here. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. So we'll need to go and connect, as we said, WhatsApp to our Zapier account, right? To do so, you'll have to go and search, hover, or just click on the search tab, which is search apps in here, and basically type WhatsApp. So once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find an option here, which is WhatsApp notifications. So if you go and click on connect, as you can see, we'll be taken right here. So here, as you can see, allows Zapier to access your WhatsApp on the notifications account. So what you'll need to do is simply enter your phone number, which is required. And as you can see, enter your phone number here and the E1, as example, 6, 4 formats, like as example, this one and country code followed by the phone number without any spaces or dashes. So make sure to go, as an example, maybe your country code is +1. And as they said, without spaces or dashes. So you don't have to click on space, then start, as example, type in your number or maybe do something like that. Sorry, like that. So you don't have to. So just go and do it without spaces or dashes. So example, maybe like this, then like this, then like this. And of course, once you fill up this uh, phone number, that of course it should have a WhatsApp number or it should be connected to a WhatsApp account. Once you do so, all you need to do just go and click on send pin because once you enter this, as you can see, enter the OTP received from you on your WhatsApp number and you should receive the code within a minute or two. So just go and click on send the pin and you will have to be patient a little bit. And once you receive your OTP, just go and enter it down here. And as you can see, if you still haven't received a code, you can simply click on this link to send a pre-filled message on WhatsApp, then close this window and start again as example. So if you click in here as example, you'll be able to go and continue chats with Zapier. And of course, you can use WhatsApp Web for that. As example, connect to your WhatsApp right away from your phone. Just scan it if you don't want to receive the code, or if you didn't receive the code, as example, by the OTP that they told you about, and you can always go back again in here as they said as example, then close this window and start again and see if it's going to work again. So once you do fill up those informations as example, you can simply click on yes, continue to WhatsApp notifications, and then you should find your WhatsApp connected to Zapier without any problems. So once it's connected, what can you do with this basically? So you can start automate some stuff using that. So let's just go to this left panel, go and click on create, then zaps, and this should take us right here. So you can either go and choose things by your own and manually by choosing the right trigger and the right action. Or if you don't want to, you can simply use this AI tool, which will help you a lot creating some things for your own. So maybe I'll just go here and type, because I don't know what to automate exactly. So I'll just go here and type connect, maybe WhatsApp with Slack, maybe. So yeah, WhatsApp with Slack, and I'll just go and hit the enter button. So we'll wait for Copilot and see what's the trigger and actions that it's going to create for us. For example, so it did not create like something from WhatsApp because maybe it has no triggers, maybe it has some just some actions. So uh, I want, as example, WhatsApp to be connected. Oh, never mind. I'm not just gonna use it right now. I'll just go and choose things by my own. So for this trigger, as an example, I'll just choose, I don't know, Slack, why not? And for the action, of course, I'll just go and choose WhatsApp. So you just go here and look for WhatsApp. Yeah, this one. And of course, here you'll have to choose the trigger event for Slack. Maybe, as example, when you get a new channel, triggers whenever a new channel is created, or trigger when a new file is uploaded to your workspace, example, or triggers when a username or highlighted word is mentioned in a public channel. Or you can even choose when a new message posted on a to channel. Triggers when a new message is posted to a specific channel you choose. So it's up to you to choose whatever trigger action you want to have. Maybe an example, this one, it's easier to be triggered. So the account is already connected for me. For configuring example, the channel will be general maybe. And then you can also trigger for both messages or no. So for me, I'll just list it on no, then click on continue. And here, of course, you'll have to test the trigger and see if it's working. If it's working, you'll find the check button right here and here. So now you'll have to do basically the same for WhatsApp. So, example, you'll have to choose the action event, which is the only events that we have as an action event for WhatsApp is basically send a message, which is send a message to a WhatsApp user. So you'll have to go and choose that. And then you'll have, of course, to sign into your accounts because you've already normally done this, so you don't have to do it. All you need to do, just go and configure that, test it out, and if it's working, you'll find the check button. Then you'll be able to publish whatever automation you created in here very easily without any problems. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. So goodbye.